Porotherm is a sustainable green building product, and in the plant we have implemented the PIP Plus program, and this PIP Plus program is for achieving the operational excellence, and this program drives us in achieving the best quality of the product in all the stages of manufacturing, right from investigating the clay, testing the clay, and in-process checks and finished goods testing. As far as finished goods of Porotherm is concerned, we do test the Porotherm as per Indian standard IS 3952 2013 version, and the products are tested by qualified ceramic engineers, and test methods that are followed are as prescribed in the IS 3952 standards. There is a simple say in the manufacturing industry like, take care of the process, process will take care of the product. We do have a stringent process controls in our manufacturing which will ensure the best quality of the product, and that's why Porotherm is the best quality material in the market.